I'm challenging jurisdiction.
You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none. And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready.
Now, I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me.
All right, guys, today we have a very dumb sovereign citizen, and he is here today because he wants to challenge the jurisdiction of the court. You really just can't make this stuff up. Judge Perkins here toys with him in this one, and it just gets very entertaining because he's literally just reading off a script he knows nothing about. Like, he probably doesn't even know what jurisdiction means. The court has authority whether he likes it or not, but he's determined to embarrass himself anyway. Let me know what you guys think this clown's IQ is in the comments below. Let's go ahead and dive in and watch Judge Perkins tour with this clown.
Against me.
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this. And I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks? You want a trial date or you want the offer in the back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in the motion. I don't have to put it in the motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right, well.
I'm
trial date.
Jurisdiction.
Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on whoever assessed.
This idiot not understand that he literally has to bring facts to court. He really thinks that just by saying the court doesn't have jurisdiction, the judge is just going to shrug and be like, oh, my bad case dismissed. Like, bro, that is not how any of this works. These sovereign citizens literally act like the law is some kind of optional subscription service. Like, they literally think they can just cancel the service if they don't like it. But seriously, if you don't want to follow the laws, maybe it's time to pack up and leave the country here because this nonsense is seriously getting out of control. Let me know what you guys think we should do with these sovereign citizens. Should we change up the laws or just ship them off to an island or something?
Who's the assessor of jurisdiction?
I am, in this case.
Okay.
And I deny that motion.
Why you denying the motion? Because you don't have.
So Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm gonna allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay? So take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on, give me a minute. You even went through a 10 and 3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one, wait a minute, you were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench. That's what the court rules are. You gotta follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything here. That's all public
information. You're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks. Let's not go there, all right? Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
I don't even have a
I
license
thought about that. Listen, this whole
have license to practice law. Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
The jig is up. Are you sure your jig isn't up? These sovereign citizens really think saying I don't consent is some kind of legal cheat code, like, bro, this isn't Hogwarts, and you're not casting a spell on the judge. Courts have ruled over and over again that just saying the court has no jurisdiction doesn't make it true, yet somehow these guys keep trying like it's eventually going to work. It's literally like watching somebody enter the wrong password 100 times and still thinking this next one will do it. I just swear these people might be a different species, because how do they actually believe this kind of crap? And also, why are they all from Michigan? Like, honestly, if you guys are from Michigan, let me know, like, is there a sovereign citizen headquarters over there or something? But let's dive back in.
All right, so now the jig is up with you. So I'm not letting you say any more about this. I'm denying your motions. Now, I'm gonna give you two options. The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay, don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to
talk?
You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court, okay? All right, so the other option is we set a jury trial. And we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So, do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you. Everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
I have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right to. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. I'm moving on.
All right, move on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on, and I'm gonna put you out, or at least mute yourself. All right, let's do this, and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
For the record, Your Honor, Chico Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right, what are we gonna do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SP 15, SP 144, 2547, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144, 27651, and SP 5008721. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're gonna make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost, it's almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this, I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay? So let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
I would like to collect my costs and fees.
Pardon me?
I would like to collect my costs and fees for having to defend myself.
I don't want to hear anything else you have to say.
Oh, beautiful.
All right, bye.
This was not the outcome I know a lot of you guys wanted to see, and honestly myself included here, it really hurt to see this clown ask the judge for court fees and cost the audacity the judge literally lets you walk from all the charges against you. And after he does that, you hit him with a question asking when you're going to get paid like bro, who raised you. This dude seriously needs to be locked up ASAP. Honestly, sovereign citizens are just ruining this country with their nonsense. They're literally out here thinking they're above the law, trying to manipulate the system. And it's just making such a big joke of our legal process. It's like they think every rule and law is optional, and it's honestly exhausting to watch. But hey, that's what we're here for, right? To expose the nonsense and bring the truth to light. And if you guys enjoyed watching this train wreck as much as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I really want to hear what you guys have to think about this court hearing, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. I post every single day, so stay tuned for that, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. Take care, guys.